Hello, I'm Jam and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to install a new font into Windows 10. So say you've gone on to DaFont or another popular website and downloaded a font. So the next step, you've decided on the font that you want to use, you've downloaded it, and for example, in this video, I have already downloaded alphakind.zip, so they tend to be archived. So the next step is I'm using 7-zip and I'm going to unzip or unarchive this file, or the files within the archive. I'm going to open the folder. And so the first method for installing a font into Windows 10 is to right click and you can click install. Or if you have multiple users on your Windows 10 system, you can choose for all users if they're likely to all use the same font and want to use it. So in this instance, I'm just going to click install. And there you go, it's installed. So the second method for installing a font is to left-click Start, left-click Settings, left-click Personalization, and then on the left-hand side, you'll see Fonts. Left-click there, and at the top it says Drag and Drop to install. So you can drag and drop the file directly onto here to install it. So just as a quick example, I'll show you how to uninstall a font in this menu. I'm going to uninstall the alphakind font that I just installed. I'm going to click on it and then left click uninstall and then uninstall again, and it says permanently uninstall it, and yep, that's fine. So we're going to go back into the menu that we wanted. Go back to fonts. And that font's no longer there, so we can now install it again. Open the folder. And it says drag and drop to install. And this time, yep, there you go. It's just installed it. Alphakind font is installed. Sometimes this can take a little longer than the other method, and it's not as clear what's actually going on because there's no progress bar. So I personally prefer the right click and install method. However, this is a perfectly viable way of installing a font into Windows 10. Just as an aside, if you want to know the difference between TrueType and OpenType fonts, I'm going to include a link to this article, which will give you the chance to make an educated decision on whether you want to use OpenType, such as the OTF extension, or TrueType, so TTF extension. So that will give you the option to learn which one is best for you and choose that option. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.